The magic of light reaction in photosynthesis. Welcome to Dr. Alamayo Biology Academy. In today's lesson, we are exploring the magic behind light reactions, the first stage of photosynthesis, where plants turn sunlight into useful energy. By the end of this lesson, you will understand how light becomes ATP, NAD, pH, and oxygen. Let us begin. Photosynthesis occurs in two main stages. The first one is light-dependent reaction or light reactions. The second one is light-independent reactions or dark reactions. Let us start from the first stage of photosynthesis, which is light-dependent reaction or light reaction. These are the first stage of photosynthesis, and it occurs in the thylakoid membrane of the chloroplast. This stage requires light, water, and the chlorophyll. At the end, it produces ATP, NADPH, and oxygen. The steps of light-dependent reactions. Light-dependent reaction takes place in series of steps. The first step is light absorption by photosystem 2. This photosystem 2 is found in the thylakoid membrane of chloroplast. Then photosystem 2 contains chlorophyll, which is the reaction center, contains reaction center P680. Then when the light energy strike this special pair of chlorophyll inside the photosystem 2, light excites electron from the reaction center, from the chlorophyll. Then this electron leave P680 and enter into electron transport chain, because there is electron transport chain in the thylakoid membrane, and the excited electron enter into this chain. Let us see this movement of electron. Look, it enters into the electron transport chain and accepted by photosystem 1. Then the second steps of light reaction, photosynthesis, photolysis of water or splitting of water. This splitting of water again occurs in photosystem 2. When the light energy strikes water molecule in photosystem 2, it splits water molecule. As the result, hydrogen ion and electron released. The electron replaces the electron which is lost by the photosystem or the pigment 680. Electrons which is released by the process of photolysis can replace electrons which is lost by chlorophyll in the pigment P680. And when water molecule splits, proton accumulates in the thylakoid lumen. Here is the hydrogen ion released from the splitting of water, and hydrogen ion accumulates in this thylakoid lumen. This accumulation of hydrogen ion creating proton gradients. Then again from the photolysis of water, oxygen is released as byproducts. Then the third stage of photolysis is that electron transport chain. Then the electron which is excited from photosystem 2 flows through a series of carriers. The primary electron acceptor in photosystem 2 is phosphatine. And from this phosphatine, electron pass towards plastoquinine and cytochrome B6F complex and towards plastocyanin. This protein complexes forms the first electron transport chain. Now let us see the movement of this electron through this electron transport chain. But when electron move, energy released, this energy causes the pumping of hydrogen ion from the stroma towards the thylakoid lumen. Let us see this electron movement, which causes the pumping of hydrogen ion towards lumen. Then hydrogen ion are released into the thylakoid lumen during one, at the photolysis of water, or during the splitting of water molecule, hydrogen ion released to the lumen. Then, but when electrons move, energy is released. This energy causes or pumps hydrogen ion into the thylakoid lumen through the cytochrome B6 complex. And these two steps generate proton gradient in the thylakoid lumen. Again, let us see the movement of these electrons and the accumulation of hydrogen ion in the lumen. Electron move and they release energy. The energy that is released causes the pumping of hydrogen ion to the thylakoid lumen. The fourth step is formation of ATP, or photophosphorylation. The hydrogen gradient built inside thylakoid lumen is used by the enzyme ATP synthase to make ATP using the process of chemosmosis. Here, this one is the ATP synthase, which is bound in the thylakoid membrane. As hydrogen ion diffuse back into the stroma, from the thylakoid lumen to the stroma, ATP is produced from ADP and PI, which is inorganic phosphate. Let us see this process again. Hydrogen pumps back towards the stroma. This helps to create or helps to generate ATP. Then the fifth stage is light absorption by the photosystem 1. As photosystem 2, the photosystem 1 has an ability to absorb light energy. Then the light energy which absorbed by photosystem 1 causes again the release of electron. Then here photosystem 1 contains chlorophyll A, which is this reaction center is P700. Then light excite electron again to high energy level from the photosystem 1. Then electrons are passed to ferredoxine, which is found in the second electron transport chain. This ferredoxine is the primary electron acceptor in photosystem 1. Now let us see the electron movement from this photosystem 1, and let us see what is the source of electron that can replace electron which is lost from photosystem 1. Here it is. This electron leaves, but it is replaced by electron that comes from photosystem 2. The sixth steps of light-dependent reaction is reduction of NADP positive to the NADPH. Here, the high energy electrons from photosystem 1 are transferred to the enzyme NADP positive reductase. When electron from photosystem 1 excited, it can transfer to the enzyme NADP positive reductase. And by using this electron, it forms or it produces a reduced form of NADP positive, which is NADPH. Then NADPH will go to the Kelvin cycle for carbon fixation. This carbon fixation takes place in the second stage of photosynthesis. Let us see the movement of electron and the final electron acceptor in the light reaction stage of photosynthesis. Here electron from photosystem 1 accepted by NAD PH, and this is replaced by electron which comes from photosystem 2. Thank you for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Dr. Alamayo Biology Academy. See you in the next video. Thank you.